Hi everyone, I am RB and you're watching a tutorial on how to install an artifact using Maven in Ubuntu. So hope you like it, enjoy it and take something new from it. So let's begin. First of all, I will describe why to install an artifact using Maven. There might be a case that you are developing a project using Maven. Sorry for the disturbance. And you are developing a project using Maven, and for that, obviously, you need a Maven local repository, and you don't have an artifact present in it. So you just need to install that artifact in your repository. So there are multiple ways to install that artifact, and I have to choose one from that, the maven install command. So let's begin with it. Again, sorry for the disturbance. First, before beginning our installation procedure, we will just verify the path, basic path present in our settings.xml, which is present in our Apache Maven repository. Not in repository, into a file called Apache Maven. This is my configuration of Apache Maven 339, and this is my settings.xml in which you need to verify your path if you have mentioned it correctly or not. This is my path, and this is my basic syntax to install Maven repository into your repository, your own local repository. And now let's begin with that installation. First of all, I have downloaded. Uh, okay, yes, this is it. I have downloaded a jar from before beginning this video, and this is it. Just we need to copy, and I will take out this path from here, paste it here. So you can see that there is some file tag present here. Make sure that you have removed that file tag before installing. This might cause a problem because it considers file as a path, file word as a path, and so you just need to remove it. Depackaging. This is nothing but what type are you are gonna install into your repository. So I'm gonna install jar, obvious, because I'm installing jar. There might be the case that you need to install a war, so you can mention here as war. Okay, now I'm installing jar. The version which your artifact which you are gonna install here is 12101. Let's consider it, and artifact is OJDBC7. Consider that I don't have OJDBC7 in my local repository. I will show you. This is my local repository where I have OJDBC6 and 14 but not 7. So this is OJDBC7, and this is group ID called package path. You can say it. So this is com oracle already present into the jar. So you can visit Maven website and take out the group ID for this jar artifact ID, and mention it here if you don't know which group ID is present. And also there is a case that Maven automatically downloads these all jars, but there might be a case that while compiling, you don't have an internet connection, and so downloading of this jar fails, and then there comes a compilation error. So, and you will not keep always compiling it one after another after you get a connection. So when you get a connection for some little bit time, you will first download that jar and install it. So this is command fully formed. Now I just press enter in it. Build success. This OJDBC jar is then installed, taken from here, placed into here at this path. And also now OJDBC7 is being visible here because Maven install command directly took my jar from this path and installed it at this path. Why so? Because this path I mentioned, this was mentioned into my settings.xml file which is present here. This take a look at this. This was the path settings.xml, and then the rest of the path was taken as com oracle, which I mentioned here as group id, and then the rest of the path was um, this OJDBC7 which I mentioned, then was combined with this, okay, and then its form.xml and jar are present at this location. So this is how you can install a jar or artifact into your Maven local repository, and not only just this OJDBC7 jar, but you can install any of the jar you want into your local repository at any time with no any special efforts required for it. And hope you like it and enjoy it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And bye, Team RB.